Hi, we are in Tunnel 1, which is our propagation tunnel here at Burncoose, and I just wanted to show you the sorts of things we have in here. So we have a lot of our P9 liner evergreeny things, and we also have our camellias. So our camellias, we propagate majority of them here, and as you can see there's quite a lot of different varieties we have at the minute. These are about to be potted into 2 litres for our batches that we have just popped in the bench to come into here. So we sell them, we do sell them at P9 size, so we go P9, 2 litre, and then we've got our 3 litres which are on sale in the nursery. And yeah, you can see that we're doing lots of different things at the minute. So obviously the camellias, and then you have all of the evergreeny things, and yeah, we're just trying to build up a good selection of different things. And yeah, so yes, yeah, just giving you an insight into what we're doing in propagation. So we are down in Tunnel 2, which has the majority of our two-year-old camellias. So as you can see, actually a lot of them are in flower at the moment. So these will be potted into 3 litres quite soon to move on from the ones in our propagation tunnel at the moment. So we work on kind of a 3-year basis for them to go into the nursery, but we do sell some of them at P9 and 2 years as well. And yeah, you can see that it's looking quite full in here at the minute, looking quite healthy. And yeah, so hopefully once the ones that we have in the bench at the moment are propagated, we'll have some new varieties coming up onto the website as well.